Hello, I'm Gwen Lion.
And I'm Matthew Grutman. If you're watching this video, you may have already been pre-approved for your home loan. Congratulations. Now it's time to begin your search. Most previously owned homes have had damage and wear that can reduce the value of the home. Damage can translate into additional costs after your purchase. We've put together this list to help buyers like you check the areas that you may have otherwise overlooked. Let's jump into it.
First, look under the sinks. A common hiding spot for damage is under the sink in the kitchen, laundry room, or the bathroom. When leaks occur, it may damage the area below. Water damage can lead to rot or even mold. Look for water spots or any black stains. If you see any of that, talk to your realtor before signing an offer.
The roof is one of the most expensive parts of your home. We're going to be doing an entire video on roof types, but for now, let's discuss some of the basics. Take the time to look at your roof. Can you see any damage? If not, your home inspector will do a more thorough check once your offer to buy has been accepted. If you see any damage, ask your realtor if the owners are willing to fix it. Do you find the roof aesthetically pleasing? Common roof types in Las Vegas include asphalt composite, wood shingles, clay tiles, and concrete tiles. We encourage you to look into the advantages of each roof type and consider its costs and longevity.
Speaking of roofs, don't forget to take a look at what is directly under the roof, the ceiling. Do you see any damage? Dark spots on the ceiling could indicate smoke damage or water leaks due to a damaged roof.
If there is a crawl space, take a look underneath the house. Are there any indications of leaks, mold, or pests? Some houses may have leaks underneath the bathtubs or toilets. This can only be spotted by going underneath the house. When you've located the water heater, take note of the location. Does it look safely secured? Do you see evidence of water leaking or rust? A new water heater with installation can cost thousands of dollars. Discuss with your realtor any concerns you may have before making your offer.
Keep in mind that your realtor will be able to negotiate having any of these issues repaired or replaced, if necessary, before you purchase the home. Any indication of damage or disrepair means you have the opportunity to negotiate for a lower price on the property. If you're a homeowner and you're watching this, you should make sure that these items are all in tip-top shape before you list your home for sale. These are the top items that affect the sale price. And lastly, before you buy a home, it's important to check with an insurance company to get a quote for what your annual insurance will be. Depending on previous insurance claims, you may pay thousands more than you should. If the previous owner filed any claims for flooding, leaks, fire damage, or anything else, you'll find out by asking for a quote. They have all of that history so you can find out anything that has been a problem before you buy the house.
As part of the Lion Group at HomeSmart Encore, we make these videos to help you. Keep an eye on our YouTube page as we'll be releasing more videos soon.
Signing off, this is Gwen Lion.
And this is Matthew Grutman, and we'll see you next time.